Hi there, Chris here. It is mail time. I just got a bunch of packages, but nothing strikes fear in the heart of lock sporters more than getting one of one of these packages from Amazon. And you can see how flimsy this is. This stuff is like graham cracker stuff. Thankfully, this, where did this come from? I can't remember, but I'll open it. And I have fallen in love with Squires, and thank God it didn't fall out. There's the keys, there's that, but this is a very, very heavy lock. This is a very, very flimsy package. I mean, it could easily be gone. And I have in the past been delivered these packages with a hole about like that, and nothing is in it. So, also notoriously, if you get Amazon UK sends this type of package out, so it's kind of a crapshoot. Anyway, I did want to show that. Let me snip this real quick so we can take a look at this lock. This thing is a beast. This is similar to the padlock that I received from Southampton Lockpicking Club. And you can see it's got a wicked keyway and the keys are nicely ensconced in this. I'm not sure how one even gets them out, because this is very hard plastic. Oh, I think I see. Let me get a point out here. I see a little bit of an impression here. I might be able to just lift this back off. Maybe, if I get through it. If I could cut a straight line. Oh, it doesn't, I can't get in. I can't get it in. Wait a minute. Maybe that's not the way to get in. Well, I hate to ruin this whole thing, but I can't see any other way except maybe cutting. And my heavy-duty scissors will not really get that. So what's next? I don't really know. And so this is a 10. On the scale of 1 to 10, it's a 10. It's a Stronghold SS50SC. 2 keys, yeah, 2 keys. Oh, it says you could peel this off. That's what it says. Peel this off to get at things. All right. Okay, next. I just cut my fingernails, so I don't cut them too short because I got to do stuff like this, but all right, a film is coming off, and it has helped us not one whit. But maybe we can lift this now. So this is going to be a 6-hour video getting the keys out. Maybe I have to get my bolt cutters. Anyway, I'm not going to do a out of the package pick because this is a 9, but I will get these keys out and I will mess with this lock and hopefully be able to pick it on camera. Anyway, thanks for watching. That was quick package update. Oh, and I got a package from AJ Clark, who I said don't send me a package, but I had made him keys for his Ruco, and he says, oh, in an email, he says, I got to send you something. And I said, no. And he said, no, don't say no. And I said, no, you don't really have to send me. I enjoyed making the series. It was great. But he went ahead and sent a package anyway because he is a great guy. So we will do that package opening probably tomorrow. And I have some other packages to open. So I'm going to go get my bolt cutters and get these keys out. And we will see you next time.